German Homac Panel Dividing Saw. Reborn used world's leading German Homac fully automatic CNC panel saw. The equipment adopts the most professional and latest Internet of Things control system in the customized cabinet industry. Through data network transmission, all panels will generate corresponding identification codes, and the machine can complete automatic identification, thus realizing accurate positioning under program control and completing the panel pushing and cutting. The overall performance is stable and the error is small, greatly improving the accuracy of the panel, effectively controlling the edge burst rate of the panel, improving the utilization rate, and solving the problems of panel loss and the like. Double-sided edge bending machines. Reborn used world's leading German Homac edge bending machines. The Visual Zero joint double-sided edge bending machine. Its functions including double-end tenoners, gluing, edge sealing, edge reverse, polishing, and chamfering. It can achieve incomparable perfect edge sealing effect. Edge sealing and plate are permanently and perfectly integrated, and the quality pursuit is endless. It is suitable for the same specification with batch edge sealing. Hole drilling machine. Reborn Cabinets adopts the most high-end double-roll and 6-roll drilling numerical control drilling equipment at present. According to the drilling position data entered in advance by the computer, the automatic clamping panel and automatic positioning processing can produce standardized hole positions, hole distances, and holes at one time, thus greatly improving the drill efficiency. Drilling machine. Reborn Cabinets use the world-class Italian Bees through-feed processing drilling machine, adopts the CNC system in the whole process, transmits the whole position data through the data network, carries out one-key scanning and identification in a full digital systematization, automatically generates standardized hole positions, ensures accurate hole positioning, dimensional accuracy, and hole edge quality, and greatly improves the production efficiency. PVC lacquer door milling. Reborn Cabinets have top-ranking CNC machining center. The whole milling process of the PVC lacquer door panel is controlled by a numerical control system, and the milling process is performed at one time, thus ensuring the integrity and accuracy of the milling process. Produce the same door type and zero angle error. At the same time, the milled door panel has slim smooth line shape and first-class beauty. PVC. Reborn Cabinets use CNC press machine with an automatic ejector pin system, which is the leader of the customized cabinets. The machine has stable performance, high efficiency, positive and negative pressure technology, high temperature and high pressure film covering, which ensures that the film is in place at one time, without blistering and wrinkles, and fully ensures the high quality level of the product. Solid wood technology. Reborn Cabinets has set up a team of skilled carpenters, completed the structure of the cross-spliced wounded frame and carving all by hand making. At the same time, a wood-balanced dehumidifier is adopted to carry out secondary balance on solid wood moisture, thus minimizing errors and effectively preventing cracking and deformation of solid wood products. Besides, solid wood manual carving meets the personalized needs of consumers.